What's up everybody, this is Mari from Mari's Review Channel. Today I'm back with another video. Today I'll be covering something a little different. Today I'll be talking about Succulents Box. Stay tuned. Okay, so today we have received this succulent box. It's a premium live succulents. If you're not familiar with succulents, those are live plants. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up this box, and inside we have two small little plants. And inside here are little peanuts to keep them fresh. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove these, and I'll show you what these little plants. And here are the instructions how to take care of this plant. It tells you everything, whether it's in the winter or the summer, what temperature it should be stored at, whether it's hot or cold. It will tell you right here. So let me just go ahead and remove these peanuts, and then I'll get into these plants. Okay, so right here is the plants. This one comes with two of them. The one on the left hand side is called the zebra. So let me just go ahead and remove this from the box. As you can see, it does have little stripes, therefore it's called zebra. It comes in this little planter box. And the next one here, this one is called Moon Glow. As you can see, this is a very pretty little plant. And all the instructions on how to water these will be in the top of the box, and how to store them. These do require sunlight, but not enough to get burnt. And right here you have two little cards that'll tell you what your flower is. As you can see, it says Moon Glow and Zebra. Right here on the top of the box, this is the instructions of how to take care of your plant. They also thank you for purchasing this. There is a box that have two flowers in it that come with $5 a month. Right here is how to gently remove the packaging materials. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact them. The succulent should be between 70 and 85 Fahrenheit, no less than 50 to 55. Watering only in the soil when it's dry. How to carefully, gently remove the packaging. And thanks for joining the Succulents box. If you do have any questions or would like to purchase this Succulents box, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And definitely go ahead and hit that little notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new product review. Also check me out at MarisReviewChannel.com. Thanks for watching.